Hey, what's up, internet? Yeah, so super smoky here, and wanted to show you guys a quick life hack. What you need is some sort of box fan. This right here is a 20-inch by 20-inch box fan I got off Amazon. It's good. It's a little loud, but it's good. So this is a 20 by 20-inch box fan. So for this particular thing, two 36-inch bungee cords and a 20 by 20, in this instance, MERV 13 or higher filter. As you can see, this is MERV 13. It actually stops smoke. This here is a MERV 8. As you can see, it's a lot more porous. Get this crap out of here. And what you want to do, line up your arrow with the way the air is going to flow. And I'm pretty sure you guys are smart enough to figure that out based upon the direction your fan's going. Fan side down here. So if you have a helper, great, throw the filter on there. If you don't, put the bungees on first. In the correct direction. And kind of just pick them up. Okay, so it's not too difficult to do, but you see here this sticking up, that's not good. So I have it at the very bottom, so you don't have these things sticking out. But this will pull air through here, which will filter it out, and then clean air will come out the other side.
Allow me to demonstrate.
You can feel it sucking the air through this very dense, thick filter. This will clean the smoke out of the air, believe it or not. Save you some money. Don't waste money on those $200 air filters that'll barely filter out a room. This will do an entire floor of a house, no problem, maybe two, because it moves so much more air than one of those crappy little air filters. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.